Hi, I'll be installing a SODIMM 4GB on my existing laptop, a Toshiba laptop. This laptop has system specification of 4GB. It has an operating system of Windows 7 64-bit, and I'll be adding this RAM, SODIMM RAM 4GB DDR3 on my Toshiba laptop. Already turned off my laptop. Okay, I'm going to unplug it from power, push the power button to drain out any excess power, and then I'm going to remove the mouse USB. I'm gonna turn over the laptop because that is where we're going to open up and install our SODIMM DDR3. Okay, so we'll be opening up this door over here. We're gonna remove the screws, 3 screws, and right now we'll be removing our door, unscrewing these 3 screws over here. Then it will reveal our system RAM. We have two 2GB SODIMM RAMs installed on our laptop. Okay, we'll be replacing it with this baby, our 4GB newly purchased SODIMM DDR3 RAM. So very easy to remove the RAM. Okay, there's 2 latches holding it in place. You just separate the latches and it will pop up. Then get this over here, replace it with our newly purchased 4GB DDR3 SODIMM. Okay, very easy to install. Okay, so you just find the teeth there and teeth here. Okay, so it will fit into place. If it doesn't fit, then it means that you are doing it incorrectly. So if it fits and snaps, then you're sure that it's the correct fit. Okay, so we'll proceed to powering on our memory right after we close this one. Okay, so after we installed our RAM, the DDR3, this is what is showing after we powered on our laptop. Okay, we'll just wait for this to reach 100%. So this is our RAM right now, 6GB. Okay, after installing the 4GB one, we left the 2GB. There were two 2GB installed, right? That's why there was a total of 4 before, and we replaced one 2GB with 4GB. That's why we now have 6GB of RAM on our laptop. So I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.